Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. In this episode, I'm going to focus on XRP as well as Doge. We do have these two coins having made major moves over the last 24-hour period. As far as the top cryptocurrencies go, these are the two forefront leaders, just so you guys know. I'm not going to be discussing what my position is, what I support or don't support with these two coins. I'm just going to be focusing on the news and the technical analysis for you guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, please do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button as well. It's definitely appreciated and helps us out with the search algorithm, and also click on the bell icon so that you know whenever we have a new video. I do other videos where I break down Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as I do playthrough series of Decentraland, aka Mana, for the cryptocurrency there. It's a cryptocurrency game, so anyways, let's go ahead and hop on into a little bit of the news. So big news in regards to going on with XRP, aka Ripple. So they're actually filing to get this court case like finalized and just done. So the back of twin legal victories last week as part of pretrial discovery, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chairman Chris Larsen are asking a judge to dismiss the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against them permanently, right? Now this court case has been going on for months. Because of this court case, you've actually seen XRP, aka Ripple, being delisted from several different exchanges as they didn't want to get into the middle of all of this. And after all of that has happened, some of the exchanges that have still allowed it to be traded, of course, there are people that are trading it, and you can see now that the price has quite considerably begun to shoot up. In fact, as of today, it hit $1.89. So absolutely just going parabolic. Again, almost 19% as of the moment of me recording this video. On the daily, we have a little bit less than an hour left to go. You guys can see on the technical radars chart that it shows it is a strong buy. The RSI is in the overbought territory. This is a little bit concerning because it is starting to get up there, guys. It is up at 84. When we are going to a bull market, a lot of this stuff will start to become irrelevant. Well, not a lot of this stuff. RSI starts to really kind of fall off to the wayside because you guys can see we're going full on parabolic here. And by doing so, this RSI hasn't had much time to try and adjust itself over a long-term position. As this starts to try and settle itself down, this will start to pull itself back a little bit as well. So there is the potential of some pullback going on here. And again, I'm not going to go into my position of my point of view of whether these coins should or should not be supported. I do have my own opinion. I'll just let you guys wonder what it is that I think about either one, right? Again, they're two different cryptocurrencies, so I very well could have two different points of view, or I could have the same point of view, whatever. I'm messing with your guys' mind right now so much right now. I'm sorry. Anyways, so let's go ahead and focus on some key things with XRP. The volume has been kicking up here for the last week or so, and it's been really showing a strong run. It's holding above the 21 EMA, looking very strong in that regard. I'm not a financial advisor. Just so you guys know, everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. This is my own technical analysis in this. But XRP is looking really good at this point in time. RSI is a little bit concerning. Technical radars, as I said, is strong buy. So in all that regard, everything is looking great. What levels should we be keeping an eye on? Well, I'm a big fan personally of what's called the Fibonacci sequence. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up for you guys. So with that, let's go ahead and find ourselves a nice little baseline zone. Looking for support there. I'm actually going to probably drop this down just a tad bit. Okay, I think that right there is going to look quite good. Okay, so by doing so with this, and I'm referring to Bitstamp just so you guys know off of this, as you guys can see right here, we're fitting within these channels pretty darn well. There was several days that fit between the 0.382 and the 0.5 on the Fibonacci sequence here. Then there was a nice little breakout that took place. It delved into a median zone with some consolidation before it started to have another breakout. And then we hit up at this point right here at $1.90. So $2 is going to be the first major level zone of resistance. That's a key psychological level. When you have lower tiered base systems, you got to think on an incremental format. So like, for example, every 10 cents is going to be a nice move because we're doing the dollars right now. Hitting the $2 is a key level. Passing $2, then we're going to be looking at $2.50. Obviously, that's a quarter of the way to $10. This is basic psychology with this stuff. You're working your way up 10 cents all the way up here. But a major level of resistance, I'd be looking at just under $3. That's at $2.93. We could see some rejection taking place as of that point. Beyond that point, we're going to be working our way up all the way to $4.50, basically $4.60. If this decides that it wants to go down, which you guys can see that there is some selling pressure already starting to take place as of the time of this video, I'd be looking at a level of support on the Fibonacci here. This is at $1.54. Below $1.54, we got $1.26. Below $1.26, then we're going to go down all the way to $1.06. Now, $1.06 is more than likely going to be where the 21 EMA, this yellow line here, is going to be lining up for tomorrow. It's going to be right around in that spot, so keep that in mind. Volume kicked up quite considerably here. Selling pressure already taking place. If we hop over to a 15-minute time frame, you can see that there's these larger candles that are taking place that are mostly red, right? We got one green that's taking place right here, but most of the stuff that's going on is in the red. So just bear in mind that when there's some pushes going on, we're seeing a lot of red going on as of the moment. But overall, what direction is it going in? It's still pushing up, right? So that's looking quite phenomenal. Now, if we go ahead and hop over to the other one, which is going to be for Doge. Let me make sure I got my stuff saved here first. 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go. So we're going to go look at Doge, and we're going to compare that to the dollar. And off of Doge, we're going to go, let's go look at it on the Binance side. So looking at Binance side, same thing you guys can see, absolutely parabolic move right here up to 9 cents. Saw a little bit of rejection taking place at this level at $9. Or sorry, not $9. I bet a lot of people are like, $9? What? Doge hit $9. Oh my God. So this is up at about 9 cents. Okay. Almost 10 cents. We actually saw a very, very close point. Actually, that was 10 cents. That 10 cents was back on January 29th. So a lot of people are wondering if we're going to be going back up to that zone. Technical radars are suggesting a strong buy. Once again, I'm a little bit concerned with the fact that we are going into the RSI. This one's not as bad as the other one we were looking at. This one's actually only at about a 76. So even then, realistically, if this pushes up to like right around 95 or so, then I would really be thinking that we're pushing heavily against that with the RSI. Overall, though, this is making a very nice bullish move, right? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and swap this on over to a dotted line like that. We're going to keep this on the record. Again, I like to use the Fibonacci sequence here. Before I do that, I do want to point something else out too. Just in case this does start to dip, what this is forming is a very strong looking bull. Now there's something called a cup and handle pattern, which is a bullish pattern, and that suggests that things are going to be continuing to go up, right? So by doing so with this bull, if this retraces back down, we could have a possible formation here of the handle, suggesting that when it decides to ride again, it could break up above this top level of resistance and have a further continuation up. So just keep in mind that right now there's a lot of FOMO going in, a lot of people in the community saying, hey, support Doge because it's a meme. It's a meme coin. It's got a huge total supply. There's a bunch of other factors. Again, I'm not going to give my point of view on this, but with where it is moving, what the community is doing regardless, and where it could go to next, that's what we want to focus on. So next thing I want to do is go ahead and get our Fibonacci sequence up here once again. I'm going to go ahead and drop this bad boy down just like so. And I want to get this nice and lined up with our overall pattern here. So we're seeing a lot of association from a long-term perspective right there. Okay, so this is looking, again, as a long-term perspective on the charts. From this, we have some key levels to keep an eye on. On the way up, if we can break above 97 cents, of course we have $1. Beyond $1, you're working 10-cent levels, just like I mentioned before. But major resistance, I'd be looking at, or not $1, sorry, 10 cents, my bad guys. We're working our way up to the 15-cent range. This is a 0.156 on the Fibonacci sequence. Beyond that, we could see it go all the way up here. That's going to be at 25 cents. And that coincides very well from a psychological basic point of view, too, where you're like, hey, we're quarter of the way to $1. On the way down, this is going to have support at 7 cents. Below that, I'd be looking at right around 6 or 7 cents, guys. The 21 EMA is going to be riding along that point very well. Volume absolutely huge right now, so there's a high chance of seeing some selling pressure going on. If we break above 10 cents, though, people might start FOMOing in, and we could see it start to rally up even higher. A lot of people wonder if this is going to hit to $1 at some point. Again, that's a completely different topic and focus that I'm not going to have in this video. But if you guys wanted to know how it would look trying to go all the way up to that from just a TA perspective view, we would have to break 34 cents first, 35 cents, break above 40 cents here, then push up to 50, And then at that point in time, I can reevaluate a lot of things and see how we're working as far as the movement goes, right? So it's got a long point of view to try and reach something like that, more than likely. So that's going to be it for this video. I do have referral links in the description if you guys want to get started with Coinbase or Gemini. I know neither one of those have support for at least XRP. I don't think Dogecoin is on Gemini. Pretty sure not. But I do have also Robinhood. So Robinhood, you can get Dogecoin through Robinhood. And also Webull. So a couple stock things there, and BlockFi if you guys want to earn a bonus up to $250 worth of cryptocurrency. You can use my referral link as an affiliate for BlockFi to get you started there. So yeah, that's it, guys. Feel free to check out my other videos. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, click the bell icon so that you know when we have a new video. Can't stress that enough to click the bell icon. Drop a comment down below and let me know if you guys are bullish or bearish on XRP or Doge and why, and if there's any news that maybe I missed out on. I know I only shared one bit of news in this, but if there's any news, share with the rest of the community in the comments. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next episode.